Good evening all, Mac Blogs here, aka Ian. Tonight I am staying in Glasgow again at the Crowne Plaza here at the SAC in Glasgow. This is the first for me again. Amazing views, amazing location. Yeah, I'm excited to check this room out, this hotel out. From check-in right through to the room, it looks really fancy, looks really nice, and I'll give as much information as I can down below in the description box and in this video, of course. So if you want to find out more about the Crowne Plaza here in Glasgow and this room, I'll give you a sneak peek. That it's basically attached to the SAC Glasgow, so the Scottish Events Campus in Glasgow city centre. I'll show you the car park area, and I'll show you this room and some clips of the hotel. So yeah, hopefully you stick around, enjoy the video. Let's check out this room and bits of the hotel. Let's go. This is a double room, and starting the room tour here at the front door. Pretty old school chain, door chain, lock there as well, and thumb turn, and your usual things to put in the door if you want to get a long lie. Got a viewfinder here, or a peephole. Oh, mind your head, don't know if you can see through that. Yeah, so emergency plan, make sure you know where you are in case of an emergency. But as you come in, I'll do an overview just now of the room first, so you can get a feel for the room. Like I say, this is a double room, such a great view. It is starting to get dark now in the evening, even though it's only about 4 o'clock in the afternoon. But I'll show you what I can just now, and then again, as my usual, I'll put another clip in to see the view in the morning. So yeah, that's the overview. We'll cover this in a moment, but let's go back to the doorway. So there's not a lot of space here, so front door or main door onto the room, that's the bathroom. This is your storage space, so sliding doors for wardrobes. Nice big mirror here, and you get teas and coffees. You get a sneak peek of the caramel logs there, which is a nice touch. This is your storage, so plenty of hangers. You do have an iron and ironing board. I don't know if there is there a hair dryer? Ooh, that noise, I'm not going to do that. Let's see how it goes. Is that a power? No, it's not a PowerPoint now. Ignore that. You do have a dry cleaning service here, so cleaning and dry service. So I'll scan this just now, and you can pause the video if you wish. Any prices you want to know. There's also a safe, which is good. And then you have your control here for your heating. There's the thermostat there. So coffees, teas, milks, and even milk chocolate, hot chocolate. That's nice. Kettle there. So you'll see this sticker, it says power socket for kettles is on dressing table. So that's over there. I was trying to figure out where it was, and it's actually this thing here. So you lift this up, turn that round, and look, there you have your, how cool is that? It's really different. So leave that up just now, we'll have a look at that later. But yeah, real cups, like mugs, as in not plastic or polystyrene. These are your teas and coffees, all your standard stuff really, all your coffees, decaf and such like sugars. With the fridge, you need to move this thing here, which you can use to unpack your bag. Fridge. Now it's not a huge fridge, but get some snacks in there, some drinks in there. It's all good. It's good to see a fridge in a hotel room. Always a bonus. You've got some storage space here, and again some storage space up there with a light. Now, into the room. Bed looks really nice. I haven't even sat on it yet because I'd probably fall asleep. But this side of the bed there is double socket, USB point, phone, a floating shelf. You have some lights switches here, so this one turns off that. What does this one do? Nothing. That one there turns off that nice light round the mirror. That's pretty cool. Then you have your bedside light as well. It's really nice decor. I like the colour scheme, the cushions. Yeah, a really cosy feeling to the room. There is a lot of space, in my opinion, in this area here, so it's good to have like a workspace for me personally, and then just sit and chill space, so we can sit and chill there with a nice big floating shelf there, separate tables. You're not having to sit in the bed all the time. You can sit there, relax. What does that switch that on? Am I seeing things? No. Aha, so that switch turns off that massive lampshade in the corner and the mirror as well. So getting all confused there why that was off. So this side of the bed, big floating shelf like I say. Same again with the lights. That one turns that one on. That one actually turns that one. So that turns off and on there as well. And there. Interesting. It's a nice big light. There's a nice chair and some complimentary water as well. So over to the TV. Let's turn the TV on. So not a huge TV, it's not a massive TV. You can see with the remote there. It's not a big TV, but for me, I'm not too fussy. It does the job. I'll be sleeping anyway probably. Not much happening with me watching the TV, but yeah. That's that. There's the hairdryer there. That was not planned. I did not know it was there. Lots and lots of storage, lots of space. I actually just remembered that I seen the room service menu as well, so let's have a quick scan of the room service menu. And again, you can pause the video to see the prices and the type of food if you wish. There we go. Moving to the back. No. All good. So back over here. Light, like I say, so light and me. Power. So you've got, how many is that? 3 power outlets. Nice chair. This Another drawer as well. Look at the size of that, that's huge. Massive. It's pretty cool. And yeah, like I say, free water, complimentary water. Well, I think it's complimentary. There's nothing saying that it's going to charge me. The view, so again, because of the reflection, apologies, but look at that. The River Clyde, and the SEC is just right next to me here. I can't get much of it just now because of the glare. The car park is down there. I will put a clip in just now. I took a photo of the charges for parking in the car park. Really nice views of Glasgow, but like I say, I will put a clip in just now for tomorrow morning if I remember. Usually I'm pretty good for doing that, so I'll put that clip in just now. So good morning from future Ian. It is still a bit dark this morning, but it is starting to get a little bit lighter. So there's the SEC right there, and you can just walk around and walk in. So it's a great location if you're looking to get into the SEC. There's the car park. So parking's there, and you just walk in through there into the hotel from the car park. Really nice views of Glasgow. But yeah, that's really it. So very similar to what you've seen last night, but a little bit lighter. And welcome back. Let's go and have a look in the bathroom. I'm calling it a bathroom this time because it has a bath. So I'll not step any further because you'll see me in the mirror. You see me? So I do like a walk-in shower myself just because I am tall. But this is very nice. This is all nice. It's clean, it's modern. A nice big sink, nice big mirror. Real glasses. And you have your hand and body wash, hand and body lotion, shaver point. Mirror, is that a makeup mirror? Makeup mirror, let's go with that. Towels, bin, and then shower in the bath. Hand and body wash again, conditioner and shampoo. Got a grab rail there as well. So yeah, nice bathroom. So I'm going to take a seat on this comfy chair. Don't know if I mentioned as well, there's some sockets in this floating shelf, so this, what's that, charging wise, there's, what's that, 5? So double socket, USB, 2 USBs and a single socket there as well, so 3 normal plug-ins and 2 USBs, and this is a really good space here. So let's turn myself round. Ooh, me again. This is very comfortable, very comfortable. And that's really it from the Crowne Plaza here in Glasgow, right next to the SEC. It's very easy to get into, so just look out for the signs, the road signs, well, if you're driving, that is. So if you're driving, you'll see a brown sign saying Crowne Plaza. Just follow that, and you see a little arrow, and follow that road all the way. You drive past the front entrance, the reception area, and just keep going forward into the car park area. and let them know at the reception. There's a little kind of screen, put your registration number in there. You can pay for your parking there and then. So mine was, I think it was £9 something off the top of my head just now. So I just paid £100 and something pounds, just over £100 basically, for my stay, which was £95 for tonight, and the car parking. And I just basically drive out tomorrow with no issues. It's cameras, so I think that's how it works. Hopefully, we shall see. If I get time, I'll put that video of me even maybe driving out tomorrow to see how that goes. Might be fun. So yeah, that's really it. Hopefully you have found this video useful. Hit the like button, hit the share button, subscribe, all that stuff. I don't just do videos of hotel rooms. I mainly do travel and theme parks, fun fairs, carnivals. Mainly Orlando is my go-to. So if I haven't mentioned it on my social media, so if you don't follow me on social media, links down below. But if you haven't seen me before, then I always travel to Orlando. I'm going again in a few days, very soon. So make sure you subscribe if you want to see me going to Orlando. I'm going to Walt Disney World. It's a Walt Disney World vlog series. So I am going to stay at the Coronado Springs Resort, Walt Disney World Resort, and I'm going to be spending several days over in Walt Disney World. And yeah, that's all I'm going to be saying, because I don't want to give too much away. More videos be coming for that vlog series and information. So follow me on Facebook and Instagram mainly, subscribe to me here on YouTube, and hopefully you join my community. So, but from the Crowne Plaza, that's it from me here. Hopefully you enjoy the video. Like I say, thank you for watching, thank you for support, and until next time, I'll see you then. Bye bye.